So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make picture like this using Midjourney AI. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install Discord application. So open up your App Store or Play Store and install Discord. So after installation is completed, then you need to open Discord. Then click on register. You can use phone number and email. I am going to use my email to register on Discord. So then you need to put your username and password. Then you need to put your birth date. Then click on create account. Then you need to verify this captcha. After verification, then you can see your account is created. Just select any profile avatar and click on next. As you can see, your account is created. Then you need to go to Google Chrome. After going to Chrome, then you need to search Midjourney AI. As you can see, the first link is the Midjourney AI. Then you need to click on join beta. Then you need to click on accept invite. Then you need to confirm again you are human. Confirm the captcha. After that, you can see the Midjourney AI bot has been installed on your Discord. Then you need to click on site 3 bar on the side. So you can see the rooms here, newbies 40. You can choose anyone. Okay, then you need to click on the plus button. Then click on allow. Then you need to select any picture from your gallery. So I need to select. So I selected a picture. Then click on send. As you can see, the picture has been uploaded. Then you need to click on the picture. Then click on the 3 dot. Then click on the share. Then you need to copy the link. This is the link. Then you need to click and copy the link. Then you need to go back to the Discord. Then you need to write something. Click on slash and type I am. Then you can see on the top the imagine prompt has been selected. Then you need to paste the link. Then you need to click on comma. Then you need to space. Then you need to type anything, the picture you want, like cat, cyber light, or robotic, or ghost, anything, any type of thing you can attach to a AI photo. So the AI can generate according to this keyword. So you can type anything and the AI will generate the picture. So let me show you how the AI is going to make the picture. So you need to find your picture in here. So my comment has been send it to waiting to start. As you can see, this one is my, as you can see, the cat face has been implanted. So you need to find out too many people making this kind of AI photo, so you need to find out where it is, where your photo is going. So this one yellow section is your, so and you can see on the top your username. So as you can see, this is the picture and you can download from here. So this is the result of this AI. So you can download from here, click on top of the dot and save on the gallery. You can make this kind of AI photo from your phone. So let me show you some more result. So I forget this thing that when first time you sending this command, you need to accept a TDS agreement. So let me show you what is that. So when you first time send this command, let me send this command. So you need to accept the TDS agreement. So you can see the message here, right here. So click on accept the TOS something. So you need to accept this. So as you can see, the rule I accepted. So you can see now I can comment and transform the picture. So that's it the video. Goodbye, see you in the next video.